Welcome natin ang ating special guest, si Bossing!
Hello to all of you.
So, Malupiton, are you ready for some Tagalog to English challenge?
Yes, I'm ready. Kupal mo ito.
Galang boss. Huwag mo ko tawagin kupal. Kung magbibigay ka ng 10,000, hindi na kita bubugbugin.
If you give 10,000, I won't beat you up.
Yun. Next. Boss, bakit ka nagpapanggap na detective?
Boss, why are you disguising as a detective?
Ikaw na nga lang pahinga ko, panay utos ka pa.
You're my only rest. Yet you're still giving me orders.
Yun. Nice. Tama ang hinala ko. Hindi ako maaaring magkamali na isa ka ngang kupal.
My suspicion was right. I can't be wrong that you're indeed a scumbag.
May trabaho kang marangal, nakuha mo pang magnakaw ng pintura.
You have a respectable job yet? You still manage to steal a can of paint?